According to AP News, a significant ice storm is currently impacting a broad swath of the United States, stretching from the Midwest to the Northeast. The National Weather Service has issued ice storm warnings and winter weather advisories for parts of Maryland, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and West Virginia, effective from Wednesday afternoon through midday Thursday. These regions could experience ice accumulations of up to 0.4 inches, particularly in higher elevations, leading to potential power outages and hazardous travel conditions. The storm has already caused treacherous conditions in states like Kansas and Missouri, affecting major highways such as Interstates 35, 70, and 435. As it moves northeast, cities including Chicago, Fort Wayne, and Columbus are expected to face dangerous commuting conditions by Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. Residents are advised to exercise caution due to the risk of icy roads and potential power outages from ice-laden power lines and tree branches. Looking ahead, a second, more potent storm is anticipated over the weekend, which could bring additional heavy snow and freezing rain to the same regions. This subsequent system may particularly affect the upper Midwest and Great Lakes areas, with potential flooding concerns in the central Appalachians. Given the severity of these conditions, it's crucial to stay updated with local weather forecasts and heed any advisories or warnings issued by authorities. Travel is expected to be hazardous in the affected areas, and power outages are possible due to ice accumulation on power lines and trees.